I know this is really random, but I was just in the mood to vlog. It's Friday the 4th, I think. Friday the 4th of January. You're in an appointment with your family and you'll be here in like an hour and a half or whatever. And I'm taking this time to... I'm cleaning out all my art stuff. The bucket's under my bed, and then I have like all these random rolls of drawings. I don't know what's in them, so I thought I would investigate them with you. I ripped it. That's fun. I think I did this in year 11. No, year 10. Year 10, why do I still have it? Kind of cute though, kind of cute. We did with like printing, lino printing. It's bright pink. It's got little faces on it. How cute is this? Wait, it's so cute. Okay. We have, oh, more fun. Fun. This is another one. This is also from year 10. Look, what's year 11? This is when, you know, where I used to do art classes. The first time you come in, for the first half an hour of class, he's like, just draw whatever you want. I just want to see, like, if you can draw whatsoever. And this is what I drew. It's like, like what? What? Who is that? More. Molly's learning how to draw straight lines. You're coming over soon. Well, you said I'm gonna see you soon. I don't know where your appointment was, so I don't know how quick that's gonna be. My room is a fucking mess. So you can help me with that. We sorted out the drawings. There's just a little crap everywhere. Like stuff where I'm like, I don't want to get rid of this, but it doesn't have a place. I need to... I'm overwhelmed. I'm gonna put things in piles.
What are you doing?
I'm filming you.
Why?
I'm kind of regretting not grabbing a jacket, even though I'll be outside for like -2 seconds because it's cold. Like it feels like it's winter again. It's like just kind of sprinkling. But there's a wind. I'm not enjoying this. I don't know if that's gonna stay there. This vlog is kind of a mess because firstly you're gonna see me clearing out my art stuff. And then you arrived. Shit. Sorry, it's cold. And then now today is Sunday. Saturday for you, you're in Honolulu. I am on my way to the gym. It's like drizzling. I'm offended. Yeah, this morning was basically just cold and miserable. I felt like I was on my way to netball training or something like that. I had... The tea I had wasn't good. It was New York City breakfast, I think, and supposedly was meant to taste like pancakes. It didn't. Didn't taste good at all. What else do I have to say? I'm wearing that new grey singlet that Dash got me for Christmas. It's super cute. My mission for today is to take down all of the Christmas tree decorations. You are a rude lady. What are you doing? To take down all the Christmas tree decorations. Dad was like, why don't you do like, take down one every day starting now? And I'm like, no, I'm gonna go do them all at once. Because otherwise I won't do it at all. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the main goal. Well, I've already smashed my phone today. So I guess it doesn't really matter if it smashes again while I'm driving, does it? Nope. There's something about food shopping that I love and I hate. I love it because I get to think about all the food I get to eat. I hate it because I have to spend money, and especially when it's food for other people. So that makes me sound like such a bitch. But I'm a little stressy because mum gave me $50 to go grocery shopping after the gym, and I was expecting to have like $20 left over, right? But then I text just because I was like, oh, I can't remember, there was one more thing on the list of like 2 things she wanted, and then I got 6 more items, including a steak, and steaks are like $20 or something ridiculous. They are if you buy them in this freaking suburb. Where am I? So I blew it all on steak, and then I went to the self-checkout and I had $15 left, second shop, and I had a $10 note left over from what mum gave me, a $5 note of my own, and then what I thought was just like a couple of silver coins, and I was like, that's definitely not $20. Let's see how this goes. So I was just like, I'm gonna put in the $5, I'm gonna put in the 10, and then I'm gonna put in every fucking 5-cent coin that I have, and we're just gonna hope for the best. And you know what? Wasn't me. You know what? It worked out perfectly. So, you know, kids, you just have to persevere in life, and it will all be okay. And you can have your steak and vegetarian bacon and buy it from the same shop and get very confused looks from the cashier. Anyway, it's still cold outside. My car says it's 31 degrees. I disagree. You're like, what the fuck, Molly? 31 degrees is not cold at all. It's really like drizzly and windy and not a good time in general. So, oh, my battery's low on my phone. Wonder why. So now I can't see myself, and that's kind of stressful. Don't even know if it's recording. I think it is actually. I see the time going up. So I'll just let my phone die, I guess. My phone has been dropped a bajillion times. A bajillion times. And with a thick case on, and currently a very thin case. And I was like, ooh, a bit edgy having this thin case. I'll be extra careful. No, I've dropped it a million times with this thin case, and it's been completely fine. It slips out from under my arm, an IGA, and the screen shatters. Ah! So, at least I didn't get a new phone for Christmas. That would have been bad. It was my old phone, but I still don't know what I want to do. I don't want a new phone, I just want to get the screen fixed. The Apple is kind of scary. I'm in the same position as you last saw me, I think. But it is many hours later. I've decided this is the only angle I'm going to film at. I have done many things. Tidying wise, I have eaten dinner. I need to shower because I'm still in my gym clothes. I have my pajamas next to me. But the idea of taking off my sports bra seems so exhausting. I kind of want to find one where it's not a pullover. It's just like a clasp. Because I don't need something heavy duty. But the act of taking off my sports bra I dread more than anything in this entire life. It is 8:33 p.m. and I'm in bed. Literally the last like 4 clips have been me in this exact position. I'm so sorry. Have I done anything since I last spoke to you? I showered. So now I look like a 12-year-old boy. yeah, sorry this has been such a mess. Either this is going to be a really long video or a really short video. I can't remember how much I filmed. But yeah, I hope it was mildly entertaining. I'm going to watch some videos and then like pass out. And when I wake up, you'll be in Chicago. So we can chat then. Let's check on your flight. Let's see. Let me refresh. Ooh, bitch, more than halfway there. More than halfway there. That's good. That shows. Yeah. I'm burning my candle. I'm feeling chill. What am I doing tomorrow? I did everything I needed to do today. I haven't put away my laundry, but it's clean. It's just in a basket. But close enough, you know? Close enough. I'll just move that to Monday. Tomorrow I need to... No, that needs to not be there. Sorry. I need to write 50 Portuguese words. I need to clean my room. I might do a big tidy tomorrow if I have the energy. Like, try to finish everything as much as I can. The problem is I have so much stuff that I'm like, I want this. I just don't want this in my room. I want this in a bookshelf in my living room. Or I want this... I've said this a million times, but it's just really frustrating where I'm like, this doesn't make me happy in this space. But that doesn't mean I necessarily don't want it. I don't know. Those are my main goals for tomorrow. Yeah. Cool. When am I doing a painting? Day after. Cool. Alright. I love you very much. Send me any painting inspo if you find any. I'm just reminding you. I love you lots. Did I say that? And I hope you enjoyed this video.